we are Adult Care Advisors.
There are a lot of important things that you should keep in mind when visiting a nursing home. First of all, you have to see the configuration of the nursing home. A lot of times when you visit, you may see a younger population that may look like they're getting rehabilitation. So that one portion is usually whether it's a floor or a side of subacute short-term rehab that really bridges them from a hospital stay back home to be independent. Then the other floors are usually designated for long-term care residents who have a skilled need, meaning this becomes their home. Now, another thing is Medicare rates based on a 5-star system all of the different nursing homes. So you can really see the couple of places you're looking at, how they compare. Did they receive any deficiencies? And what that means is when the state comes in to evaluate what was wrong, that's basically a deficiency, and what was the plan of action to correct those deficiencies. So that's a key component. I always tell families proximity to your house. You want to be there and be hands-on. If you always would talk to your mom at 7 a.m. and go out for coffee, maybe you still want to visit them. Ask about the visiting hours and drop in sometimes unattended. Is your parent dressed by breakfast time like they're used to? That should be the standard, and you want to always make sure that happens. Once you find a facility, you may want to ask, maybe mom isn't great to ambulate. It takes her a while to get down the hallway with her walker or her cane. You might want to ask for a room closer to an elevator or closer to the nursing station, so she's always looked in on.
I always tell people when they're looking at the nursing homes to look at how the residents look in there. Are they well taken care of? I want them to see what the rooms look like. Often there's 2 people in a room, but then at other times you could pay a premium and have your own room. This is all a matter of preference. The nursing homes also do have activities. They have beauty parlors. They have things outdoor areas that can keep the seniors, the residents, the rehab people in part of their life. They could do what they normally do in conjunction with the rehab, but still have a life outside of rehab. The long-term care people often do make friends, do start a social life of their own, and do participate. So on either side that your family member is going to spend time with, make sure that you think they will have a good lifestyle for the time they're there.
Sign up for our newsletter to receive helpful tips on transitioning to assisted living communities.